hosts, Ellen Morris and Howie Crooks, and we're here with a great announcement and some really good information in honor of Special Needs Law Month, which is a national dedicated month to special needs and the legal arena regarding special needs.
One of our largest practice areas has to do with special needs trusts that we assist our clients in preparing. It's a fairly complex area, but we are well versed in all the rules, and we wanted to convey to all of our clients and referral sources the various kinds of supplemental needs trusts that may be necessary to achieve asset protection for the assets that are placed in the trust, as well as making sure that government benefits are maintained at the same time. So the variety of trusts that we deal with in our practice are first-party trusts and third-party trusts, and the reason for those names have to do with the source of funds that are used to place into the trust. If the funds belong to the disabled beneficiary, then they're called a first-party trust, and if they belong to somebody else, like a parent or a grandparent or other relative, those are called third-party trusts. And the reason why the distinction between the two is so important is that in a first-party trust, when the disabled beneficiary passes away, there is a requirement that all the funds then remaining in the trust be paid back to the Medicaid program. Whereas if it's a third-party trust, then there is no payback requirement. So it's very important to know the difference between these two types of trusts so that the correct one can be set up. We also deal with something called qualified income trusts when somebody's trying to qualify for Medicaid in the state of Florida. If you have income that exceeds $2,313 per month, you have to set up this type of supplemental needs trust in order to qualify for Medicaid due to your income being so high. And then finally, a third type of trust that we deal with is something called a pooled supplemental needs trust. In this type of trust, as compared to the other ones that we've already discussed, a third-party administrator is appointed as the trustee of the trust and is charged with managing the trust assets and determining whether and when to distribute the trust assets. And we find that this can be very useful, particularly when there's not a family member who's available to serve as trustee, or perhaps in circumstances where there are very low assets. So knowing the differences among the various types of supplemental needs trust is critically important. We assist our clients in determining which type of trust is optimal for them. And then we, of course, assist our clients in drafting the trust and getting the trusts in place.
So the question for you is, how does this affect you and what do you need to know about special needs trust? Well, if you're involved in a personal injury action and you're going to recover money from that action and you may have some long-term care needs, a special needs trust is a wonderful tool in conjunction to be used with a structured settlement. Also, if you are the grandparent or the parent or the aunt, the uncle, cousin of a disabled individual in your family, and you want to provide for that disabled individual, we can help you with that, and the disabled family member will be a beneficiary of your generosity and will be able to maintain achieving the best benefits for them. So in honor of National Special Needs Law Month, we wanted to give you this simplified definition and version of special needs trusts and how Howie and I use them in our practice. Please give us a call, schedule a consult, or send us an email. We will be happy to discuss with you further the different special needs trust legal options. Have a great day.